Good morning, folks. As you can see, we have a winter wonderland here. Incredible. The blizzard of 93. About 9:18, Sunday, March 14th, 1993, as you can see. And we've got almost 30 inches of snow on the ground here. It's taken me about an hour to sweep up our walk and get everything ready to head out into this winter wonderland. So I'll just let you take a look at everything we have here that's going on. There's Mary Beth's car. You can see there's a lot of that showing. I'm so glad we live on Maple Avenue, where the plows come by and plow us right in. That's just terrific, as you can see. Probably take me about 3 hours to get that car out. There's another one like it. And more cars up the street. My wagon's on the street out. That'll be fun getting that out too, I'm sure. So this is what's going on. My neighbors and I are about the only ones who've got our walks clean so far. Temperature is about 10 degrees and falling. Wind chill's supposed to be about 40 to 50 below zero later today as the winds whip up. It's nasty. Haven't seen this much snow in a long time. We'll have to get Laura out here. Too bad we couldn't have moved this past weekend up to our new house and got these cars off the street. Let me tell you, shoveling this much snow is not a lot of fun. Look at this. What a mess. Okay. I think you got the idea. Let's just see how Gus's driveway looks here. As you can see, there's an awful lot of snow. There's Mrs. Gus doing her thing. I don't know how we're going to get that walk shoveled in time for the move. I doubt we are. Okay. We will check in with you later as things develop. Okay, here we are on Monday, 2 days after the storm hit. I'm looking out my backyard of 12 Twinbrook Court, new house that we're moving into on Friday. And as you can see, there's just an unbelievable amount of snow all over the place. We got about 28 inches here. Biggest snowstorm this century. And here's the walkway that Mike Butler and I shoveled out yesterday. Luckily we got a plow driver to plow this snow out of the way here. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. So we're just getting this down for posterity's sake. Hopefully we will never see this much snow again. Oh, here's my walkway. Can't wait to shovel that out. That's gonna be fun. That's probably about 3 hours of work right there to get to the front door by the time I finish shoveling that. There it is. And this is obviously the house. A lot of snow. Don't know if we'll ever see this much again. So, that's what we're looking like right now. Not a lot of fun today. And we'll check back in later.